Hello students, welcome back to our class. So in today's class we are going to solve exercise 3.20, that is multiple choice questions. Okay, so first one, a system of three linear equations in three variables is inconsistent if their planes. So that is, there will be three linear equations. So if we mark in a plane, so what will be the answer? The three linear equations will be inconsistent. The three linear equations will be inconsistent. That is, if it is inconsistent means, they are given that if it is inconsistent means the three planes, what does three planes mean? It does in their, if it is marked in the plane, the three equations, that is the three linear equations that does not intersect, because they have given that the three linear equations are what, it is inconsistent. If it is inconsistent means it does not intersect. Okay. So the next one, the solution of the system, you have to find the solution of the system. See the third equation, 3z is equal to 9. From this we can find the value of z. Z is equal to 9 divided by 3. So z is equal to 3. And the second equation is minus 7y plus 7z is equal to 7. Okay, see we can cancel 7 in all. That is, how can we cancel this? Take 7 outside. If we take 7 outside, we get minus y plus z equal to 7. So this 7 and this 7 gets cancelled. Okay. So minus y plus z is equal to, here it is 0. So you take this minus y that side, z is equal to y. The value of y is equal to, so this is 1, right? 1, right? So the value of z is, what's the value of z? Minus y. Take this y this side, y is equal to z. Take this 1 this side, minus 1. What's the value of z? 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Can you understand me? See, on the left hand side we are taking 7 outside, and the right hand side we have 7, right? We have 7. So cancel this 7, we have minus y plus z is equal to 1. Take this y to the right hand side and take this 1 to the left hand side. So what happens? Y is equal to z minus 1. We already know z is equal to 3. So z 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we have to find the value of x using the first equation. X plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 6. So what's the value of y? Let us keep x as it is. What is the value of y? Y is 2 minus 3 into, what's the value of z? 3 is equal to, which is equal to minus 6. So x plus 2 minus 9 equal to minus 6. X is equal to, bring these values that side, minus 6 plus 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So x value is 1, y's value is 2, and z value is 3. So what's the option? Option is A. Okay. Now the third question, if x minus 6 is the HCF of the two equations they have given, right? So if HCF means, this will be, when we factorize these two given equations, given to expression x square minus 2x minus 24, and here it is x square minus kx minus 6. If we factorize this both, we will get x minus 6, right? So factorize this, minus 24. 6 4 is 24. So it is minus 2, right? So minus 6. So this is x minus 6 into x minus 4. So if we factorize this, x minus 6 is present here, right? So we have to get some other thing. So we have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. Okay. So how can we find the value of k? This should be neutralized. When we substitute the value of k, should be neutralized. Okay. Substitute the value of x as 6. See, if it is factorized like something, this like means this x is equal to 6 is the root of this given expression, right? So substitute 6 square is 36 minus k into 6 minus. So this is the thing. So 36 minus 6 is 30 minus k into 6. Okay. So for what value of k we get the value as 0? This should be 30. So 6 into 5 is 30. Therefore k should be equal to 5. So the value of k is 5. Okay. Now the fourth sum. See, we have to divide these given things. 3y minus 3 divided by y is whole divided by 7y minus 7 divided by 3 into y square. Division means what happens when we change this to multiplication, this becomes reciprocal. Therefore, 3y minus 3 divided by y into 3y square divided by 7y minus 7. Okay, so see this 1y here and here 1y is cancelled. So take this 3 outside. What happens? Y 3 into y minus 1 into 3y upwards and here down. Take this 7 outside. So answer is 7 into y minus 1. So cancel this y minus 1 and y minus 1. What happened? 3 into 3 is 9y divided by 7. This is the answer. 9y divided by 7. That is option A is the answer. Now the fifth sum. So what's the first sum they have given? Y square plus 1 by y square is not equal to the given option. See, the first option is y power 4 plus 1 divided by y power 4. When we take the LCM, we get the y power 4 plus 1 divided by y square. So it is not equal to this one, right? Y plus 1 divided by y the whole square. And this can be written as y minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 2, and this also can be written as y plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 2. So this is not equal to y plus 1 by 2 the whole square. That's again subdivision. So this is the second option. Now the sixth sum. See here, x minus x square minus 25 minus 8 divided by x square plus 65 plus 8. Okay, see this can be written as x square minus 5 square. 5 square is 25, right? Yes, it is in the format of a square minus b square. So this can be written as x plus 5 into x minus 5. See, this is, they have asked us to subtract, so we have to find the LCM. So this is, what this is 6x, right? So now we have to factorize this 5. 5 can be multiplied as 5 into 1. So this can be written as x plus 5 into x plus 1. X plus 1. So what's the LCM here? LCM is x plus 5 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. Okay, so what happens? X into x plus 1 minus 8 into x minus 5. Okay, see the denominator, this can be written as x square minus 5 square, that is 25. X square minus 25 into x plus 1. And here we multiply this, x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x minus 8x minus into minus plus 8 5 is 40. So what will be the answer? Equal to x square minus 8x plus x is minus 7x plus 40 divided by x square minus 25 into x plus 1. So the answer is, that's option C, x square minus 7x plus 40 divided by x square minus 25 into x plus 1. Okay, now the seventh sum. Seventh sum is, you have to find the square root. Okay, square root of 256 x power 8 y power 4 z power 10 divided by 25 x power 6 y power 6 z power 6. We have to find the square root of, so everything is in multiplication and this is in division. So square root of 256 is, what is the square root of 256? It is 16. Square root of x power 8, it reduces, the power reduces by 2, right? So x power 4 y square z power 5 divided by square root of 25 is 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into x cube, y cube and z cube. Okay, now see here, this one is cancelled, so it becomes 2. And see here, this one is cancelled and this becomes 1. This one is cancelled and this becomes 1. So what's the answer? 16 into the remaining in the numerator is x into z squared divided by 5 into y. Okay, so the option is So you have to write this in modulus. So the option is D. 16 divided by 5 into modulus of x into z square divided by y. Now the eighth sum. Which of the following should be added to make x power 4 plus 64 as a perfect square? So perfect square means what? So perfect square means something the whole square. Right? You have to write in the format of something the whole square. So what they have given is x power 4 plus 60. So x power 4 can be written as x square the whole square plus 64 is 8 square. Okay, see we have something square plus something square. We have a square plus b square. Okay, so what should be added here? A square plus b square. To make it as a perfect square, what should be added here? See, this is a and this is b. What should be a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. A is x square into 8. A2 is 16 into x square. This should be added, right? To make it as a perfect square like this, x square plus 8 that whole square. This is the perfect square now. To make this as a perfect square, what should be added? 16 into x square. So the option is B. Okay. Now the ninth sum. The solution of 2x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 9. We have to find the solution. That is, we have to find the values of x. Okay. Now taking square root on both sides, what happened? 2x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. This is a perfect square, so it is plus or minus 3. And bring this 3 outside. 2x is equal to plus or minus 3 plus 1, right? Therefore 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2 for x. That is x is equal to, first let us take the positive. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So the values are minus 1 and 2. So the option is C. Okay. See the 10th sum. We have to find the values of A and B. Okay, the values of A and B if the given expression is a perfect square. So shall we find the perfect square for this? That is, shall we find the square root? Perfect square means it will be having the square root. So shall we find the square root? 4 into x power 4 minus 24 into x cube plus 76 into x square plus ax plus b. Okay, so we are going to find the square root. Since they have given it is a perfect square, it will have the square root. So how can you find the square root? We have seen this in the previous classes, right? So 2 into x square, 2 into x square. So I multiply this 4 into x power 4, right? 4 into x power 4. Now bring this 24x cube and this 76x square down. Okay, what we have to do? We have to multiply this with 2, that is 4 into x square. Now this minus 24 into x cube divided by 4 into x square is what's the value? Minus 6x. So minus 6 into x, minus 6 into x. Okay. Now multiply this. Minus 6 into, see here 4 into x square into minus 6 is for minus 24 x cube. Minus into minus is plus 6x is 36. X into x is x squared. So what happens? Changing the symbol, this gets neglected, and 76 minus 36 is 40x squared. Okay, bring this plus ax plus b down. Okay, again. So what happens? 4x square will be as it is. Multiply this with 2 minus 12x. Now divide this 40x square divided by 4x squared. What happens? This one is 1, so 10 plus 10 here. Here it was also plus 10. So 4 into x square plus 10 is 40 into x squared minus 12 into 12x plus 10 is minus 120 into x plus 10 into plus 10 is plus 100. So we will get 0, right? So minus, here it is plus, here it is minus, right? We will get 0. That is 120x minus plus ax, that is 120x is equal to ax. So a is equal to 120, and here 100 is equal to B. That is B's value is 100 and A's value is 120. So what's the answer? It is minus 120. Okay, so it is minus 120. So what's the option? The option is C. Okay, now that 11th sum. What's the 11th sum? So if the roots of the equation q square x square plus p square x plus r square is equal to 0, or the squares of the roots of the equation q into x square plus p into x plus r is equal to 0. See here, the both are the same, but what happens? The constant, the coefficient terms used and the constant term used are squared. So what happens? It is in the geometric progression. It is in the geometric progression. The option is B. Okay. So graph of a linear equation, and linear equation means it will have two variables x and y, right? So the graph of a linear equation will always be a straight line. Okay, the option is A. So number of point of intersection of the quadratic polynomial question number 13. The number of points of intersection of a quadratic polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4 with x-axis. So at first we have to find the roots. Okay, so roots, how many roots are there? You have to find. So the number of roots is the number of roots means, so you have to mark the roots in the x-axis, then you have to find the points of intersection. See here, this can be written as x plus 2 the whole square, right? X square plus 4 plus 4x, x plus 2 the whole square. Then what will be the value of x? Minus 2 comma minus 2, right? These two roots lies in the same point, minus 2 alone. So in the x-axis, minus 2 alone. The root lies in the same point. So the point of intersection is only 1, because the two roots are the same roots. Therefore the point of intersection of the this polynomial equation with the x-axis is only 1. So the 13 option is 1. Okay, option is B. Now see the 14th sum. For the given matrix, the order of the matrix. So what's a given matrix? 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay, this is A. What's the order of this matrix? 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 cross 4. Then you have to find the A transpose. So A transpose means we have to find the order of the A transpose. We can directly write from this, that is 4 cross 3. If you want, you can check like this also. Change this column. So you change this row as first column 1, 3, 5, 7. Second row as second column 2, 4, 6, 8. Third row as third column 9, 11, 13, 15. See here. What's the order of this matrix? 4 rows and 3 columns. So 4 cross 3 is the answer. That is option D. Okay. If A is 2 cross 3. Now 15th sum. A is of order 2 cross 3. And B is of order 3 cross 4. How many columns does A into B have? So if you perform A into B. Can we perform A into B? See, this term and this term are same, therefore we can perform A into B. So A into B, what will be the order of the matrix A into B? The first term and the last one, 2 cross 4. So 2 is the number of rows and 4 is the number of columns. They have asked the number of columns. So answer is 4. That is option B. Now the 16th sum, if number of columns and rows are not equal in a matrix, then it is said to be the diagonal matrix, square matrix and identity matrix are the number of rows and columns are the same, right? So rectangular matrix only there, we don't have the number of rows and columns as same. So answer is rectangular matrix, option B. Transpose of a column matrix. Okay, 17th sum. Transpose of a column matrix. Column matrix means it has only one column like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The see here, the order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. When we change this, what will be the A transpose will be equal to 1, 2, 3. This column is changed to row, that is 1 cross 3. Then we can say this as a row matrix. So the transpose of a column matrix is a row matrix. Option D. 18th sum. Find the matrix Find the matrix F if 2x plus 1, 3, 5, 7 is equal to 5, 7, 9 and 5. You have to find the matrix X. See, the matrix X is added with this matrix. So, the matrix X will be of the order 2 cross 2. So, 2x is equal to 5, 7, 9, 5. Bring this matrix to the right hand side, it becomes negative 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so 2x is equal to negative, subtracting means you have to subtract each and every element. 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, so 5 minus 7 is minus 2, right? Am I right? Yes. Okay, 2. So see here, 2 into x. So x is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay, you have to divide every elements by 2. So x is equal to 2, 2, 2 minus 1. Okay, so option is B. Okay, see the 19th sum. Which of the following can be calculated from the given matrices? So you have to find which of the following can be calculated by the given matrices. The given matrices are A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, see this is the matrix of order 3 cross 2. This is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, right? Okay, first one, can we find A square? A square is A cross A, right? See here it is 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2. Can we multiply this? See, these and these are not same, therefore A cross 2 is not possible. Okay, and the second one is B square, B into B, right? What's the matrix of B? Order of the matrix B, that is 3 cross 3 into 3 cross 3. Is this possible? Yes, these two are same, therefore B square is possible. And the third one, A into B. What is the order of A? A is 3 cross 2 into, what is the order of B? B is 3 cross 3. See here, these two are not same, therefore this is not possible. A cross B is not possible. And then B into A. What is the order of B? 3 cross 3 into, what is the order of A? A is 3 into 3 cross 2. See here, the first one and this last one are same, therefore B into A is possible. Okay, B into A is possible. So for second one and fourth one only, right? The option is C. Likewise, you have to find for the 20th sum. 20th sum, see what's the, they have given 3 matrices. What's the order of the matrix A? That is 2 rows and 3 columns. That is 2 cross 3. And the matrix of order of B is 3 rows and 2 columns, 3 cross 2. And the order of C is 2 cross 2. Okay, so you have to find which one is correct. They have performed everything. See, A into B plus C, B, C is equal to, say they have multiplied and added. So you have to do this and you have to check which one is correct. Okay, this is the assignment for you. 28th sum is the assignment for you. You have to do with steps. You have to find the values of everything that have been given in the options. Okay, so with this we are completing the exercise, and with this we are completing this chapter also. Okay, so let us meet in the next class. Okay, thank you students.